Today we are going to learn how to count from 0 to 10 in French. I'm going to count by myself at a normal pace, then I will repeat slowly so you have the time to repeat each number. Let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it one more time. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's see what you remember. I'm going to show you the numbers from 0 to 10 in order. Every time a number appears on your screen, try to say it in French. Then I will say it too, so you can correct yourself if necessary. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, now let's mix things up. 6, 1, 3, 10, 0, 8, 5, 2, 9, 4, 7. That's it for today. Let me know how you did in the comment section and see you in the next video.